With just the date, it's hard to see any trends in this exported data. We've added a new column called day using this formula, which displays the day of the week. You can also use formula to show the week or month that the data is in. To find trends, create a pivot table by selecting Insert and then Pivot Table and click OK. For the rows, choose the day, week or month. And in value, the data that you want to analyse, for example, cost or cost per click. For trends, make sure that the data displays by average rather than the sum. We now have trend data to investigate, and here you can see the CPC increases on Saturday and Sunday.